Howdy folks, Nathan here for TFL Off-Road, and this is the 2018 RZR RS1. It's a badass machine and it's very unique, and we have an opportunity to take it off-road and do something unique, a 0 to 60 run in the dirt. That's coming up next.
Guys, you can use the code TFL for a 10% discount on anything at IMI Motorsports in Tacoma, Colorado. That includes running your machine in the dirt or on the go-kart track.
Now this it has a 110 horsepower engine,
Yep.
right? And it's belt driven to a CVT.
Yep.
And that CVT recently has been updated by Polaris and is a much more able unit. Tell me about what it's like to drive.
Well, the first time I got it out in my backyard. I have a couple acres, so as soon as I got it, I got to gun it through the backyard, and it scared the absolute crap out of me. So it's definitely fast, especially when you put in four-wheel drive. It'll just take off like nothing ever. And I've seen, people, pulling away from stock XP 1000s with this because of the updated drivetrain and all that.
Now this has a much more beefy suspension than some of the older RZR products that were single-seaters, and it's really built just to be hammered. And that's one of the things. I mean, you paid a lot of money for this thing. Are you prepared to hammer it?
Oh yeah, definitely. I've hammered it a lot with the time I've owned it. I'm surprised the belt hasn't blown with what I've done. So
yeah, you know what? I recently broke a belt on a RZR, and because of that, only Andre's allowed to drive this and not me. So I guess we're gonna have to get to it and take it off road. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, far out.
9.29 seconds. We don't have much to compare it against right now at a mile above sea level, but this is the same time that most big family sedans with a V6 do. So this little thing has monstrous power, and you could feel it because you don't have much around you. You could see both front tires. The experience is exhilarating.
There are a couple things you should know. First of all, way back when you were in 9th grade, that was when you had your first opportunity to drive in a off-road vehicle like this, a UTV. And according to your family, ever since then you've wanted one, and now you've managed to buy not only this vehicle, but it's only the 4th one sold in Colorado, so you were right on top of it.
It was definitely a cool experience. They had this guy just sitting there looking real good. It was $14,000, so I'm like, I got the money for that, so might as well go ahead and see if they go in at the dealer, and they said, yeah, this is our 4th one. So
you've had it for a few months.
Yeah.
Now, obviously you're taking it off-road. Where have you taken it?
I took it out to the North Sand Hills up near Walden, Colorado.
Oh, we know that place.
Oh yeah. I've run around here at IMI. I have also taken it to a small field out by my house. So.
The curb weight on the RS1 is around 1,350 pounds, and a lot of these panels are plastic. Still looks pretty cool. Okay guys, 9.29, 0 to 60 in the dirt.
That is faster than all of the CVT vehicles we've tested this past year that are not turbos.
I know, but we have nothing to compare it against really because it's on dirt, but we'll be doing more machines, right?
Yep, absolutely. Off-road is going to be kicking butt soon with lots of different off-road machines.
Now Wayne, can you show us a little bit more action? Maybe a tiny jump or something?
Oh, definitely. I think so.
Far out.
Thanks.
All right.
Better him than me.
I have added this Polaris roof here. It's all aluminum, so It definitely helps with hot days. And then on the inside here, I added the door bag, and has a lot of space in here, you know.
Yeah, there's not a lot of storage otherwise.
No, you pretty much got the 2 cubby holes, and I outfitted those with the dash packs that they also sell from Polaris. And I'm also looking at getting some rock sliders on here from Polaris. So.
Excellent. So that's your next upgrade, is the rock sliders.
Oh yeah.
Now, you're not exactly a short guy. How tall are you?
I'm 6'7".
6'7", far out. So
Yep.
you're telling me that a guy 6'7" can drive this comfortably?
Yes, I actually find this more comfortable than the 2-seat variants. It's more shorter in the 2-seat variants, I notice. And yeah, it definitely fits me very well. The only times I have problems is coming over humps or jumps and I smack my head on the roof. So.
I gotta say, that was a heck of a lot of fun.
Yeah, you look like you had tons of fun.
The machine just kind of sets in the corner, it squats a bit, right? But it's like a little RC car. You know how you race those little RCs?
Oh yeah.
It's an amazing feel. I cannot compare it to anything else.
Now you have to find a way to beg your wife to let you keep the Hummer and get one of these.
Oh yeah.
Thanks for joining us, folks, for TFL Off-Road. It's Nathan.
And Andre, please subscribe using the button below. Our buddy, our main man, Steven Elmer, is making Can-Am videos, Kawasaki videos, a lot more coming.
Stay tuned for that.